This is our test of the Osmo Pocket. We're actually outside. It is a very sunny day out, and we're just gonna try to get some B-roll. I've got the sun kind of coming over me. How does the audio sound right now? We're just using the mic that's directly on the Osmo. We'll put the transmitter audio on here in a little bit. It's a little windy. As you can see, my hair's going. Let me know how it's working right now. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. So now we're actually got the mic on. You guys let me know how it is sounding. Can you hear the chickens? Because I got some chickens that are making some noises as normal. Let me know if you can hear them or if you can only hear me. What do you guys think? Would you use this external mic? I think in certain situations you would. I kind of like how you have the option of using both of them because sometimes you do want to hear just kind of the background. It kind of makes the viewer feel like they're there with you. Let's do some walking around and see how this gimbal works. Got the sun behind me right now and I'm just walking. I know I'm kind of a little bit of backlit. We're gonna go ahead and make a spin. I do not have the active tracking on, so it is not tracking my face right now. It is starting to be a little windy, but I do have my mic on, so let me know kind of how it sounds. What do you guys think? So now I've got the sun towards me. Now I'm gonna put on the active tracking, just like that. And let's see. We're just gonna walk around, see how my chickies are doing. We got Mr. Rooster here. What you doing, buddy? We're actively gonna be tracking this chicken right here. Let's see if it will move and if it stays with it. I'm gonna keep the gimbal still. What do you guys think? Okay, so it looks like I am now on the normal mode. I'm not sure. I was on another setting as far as the color profile. So yeah, I'm thinking this is gonna look so much better. But hey, this is all about learning and seeing what we like about this. And I really have this pretty close, so you don't have to that's like my arm length. Like, look how much you have in this background. That is so cool. I like that. Hello, how are you doing today? Did you have a good day today? Are you pecking my mic? Yes, this color is looking way better. I don't know what I was thinking there. Here in a little bit, we're gonna be doing a low light test inside. We're gonna do a little bit more B-roll, so enjoy this next clip. I've gotta remember to keep looking into the camera instead of the viewfinder. It's a little bit different. We're gonna do a little product showcase. Now this is something that I wish I had a long time ago when I was doing my business and I had to do a lot of filming and showing off products. With my other camera, it was the worst as far as focusing. And it looks like I've had the product showcase on this whole time. So we're gonna check it out. Tell me how this is. I'm gonna be looking down. I've gotta put my glasses on just because I can't see very much. So don't make fun of me because I've got these glasses on. Let's see how fast it's gonna focus between the product and then back to me. Holy cow, that is so fast. My other camera would have never been able to do that, especially with my face in the way. Let's go get something else. Let's try the DJI mic. Boom, back at my face, y'all. So if you need to product showcase this is a great camera for it. This Osmo Pocket 3 is great for product showcase. I have to do that a couple more times. All right, product showcase. And back to myself. Y'all, that's just crazy. Boom, boom. Let's see if I move it around. Is it still staying in focus? Okay, product showcase is definitely a big thumbs up for me. If you have a food channel and need to show ingredients really fast, I think that would be excellent for that. And also, I do have a cooking channel, and I'll link that in the description box down below. Let's do a low light test. Now, I have two lights pointing at me right now. Now, we're gonna go ahead and turn, well, actually I only have one light. We're gonna go ahead and turn the one off and see what happens. It's a pretty big ring light. So that is the low light test. I have a very small dim light. We're gonna go ahead and turn that off. I am pretty darn impressed with this low light right here. This area that I'm in is upstairs, and we have two small windows, and I'm actually have those covered with some reduced lighting. That is pretty good. Okay, we're gonna turn around and go into a very dark area. Okay, so here we've got just a little light right back here, and I also have a little light here. Y'all, these are covered. So this is all that you're seeing. I mean, that looks really amazing. I am very impressed. Now we're gonna go this way and head into pitch black dark. This is pretty dark. I can see all we have is a computer over here. This is pitch black. All right, we're gonna go down the stairs and let's see how it transitions into pretty decent lighting into my kitchen. Look at this. I mean, it's lighter in this than it is. And I'm gonna go in front of my window here. Voila! You guys, I am loving this. So here are my overall thoughts for the Osmo Pocket 3. Number one is the price point. For this camera and what it can do, it is pretty spectacular. And not only that, it comes in such a small package. It is comfortable to hold, which I am so happy about that. My other camera, even though it was compact, it was actually a little bit heavier. This is so light, and I like the design of it. It's easy to hold versus a regular camera. Let's talk about the color of the camera. Now, I do like that you can go ahead and film in that D-Log, so you can, in post, do some color grading, which I thought was pretty good. I've never had a camera that was able to do that, so I'm excited to play with that. And I absolutely love the coloring. The coloring was so creamy that was the one thing I was a little bit hesitant about buying this camera. However, there is some filters that you can attach to the Osmo that will give it that nice dreamy, creamy look. So we're definitely gonna be checking that out. Now, the face tracking is a cool feature that I'm very excited to start using. So I have the face tracking on, and it's very cool how it just moves with you. I think that would be great. My cooking channel, I think it'll be kind of neat to use this face tracking when I am cooking, and maybe I go over to the refrigerator and I get something over the refrigerator and then I have to come back. But you guys let me know if this active tracking is just too much and it makes you sick. I think this camera would be great if you are vlogging and you are in public and it's just a little bit more discreet to vlog in public, and I'm very excited to use this. I do have one complaint about the Osmo Pocket 3, and that is, it's not even a complaint, it's just because my eyes are not what they used to be, is that I cannot see the screen. It's so small. The great thing about this is that I know it's always gonna be in focus, and I actually do not have to look at the screen to know it's in focus. With my other camera, I would literally have to tap it to make sure that it was focusing. When you can't see that well, that kind of is a problem. This has kind of alleviated that need to constantly be focusing or wondering if the camera is focusing. This one has done pretty well, and I absolutely love the microphone. I'm excited to use that in my videos. Overall, the Osmo Pocket 3 is a great investment. If you're looking for a new camera, definitely go with the Osmo Pocket 3. I am personally was looking at it for so long, and I'm just so glad that I clicked add to cart and purchased this. Now, I will leave a link in the description box and down below of the SD card that I'm using and this actual Osmo Pocket 3 if that is something you guys would like. Let me know down below if you have this Osmo Pocket 3, if you're considering it, and what features you are excited to use. And if you guys would like to see another video on some of the settings that I'm going to be using, let me know down below. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys liked it, and subscribe Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.